Today we have a super easy crock pot recipe. I'm gonna show you how to make creamy scalloped potatoes. I'm gonna show you a few tips and tricks to get delicious, creamy scalloped potatoes. So without further ado, grab your spuds and let's get into it. So we are using Idaho Reds, but you can use any kind of potato that you like. Just make sure you find ones that are not too large. These ones are gonna be a little bit difficult to slice. So you want nice medium-sized potatoes so you can easily slice them. First thing we're gonna do is get our potatoes washed up, nice and clean. I'm not going to peel the skin off. Most people peel the skin off, but that's where all of the good nutrients are. Instead, we're just going to cut out our imperfections, the bad spots, and we're gonna leave all that good nutrient content on there. If you want to peel yours, go ahead and do that now. So I'm going to use a knife here. I like to cut them a little thicker. We're gonna try to get about 1/8 inch pieces. I don't like them too thin or they just kind of break apart and get mushy. So we're gonna get all of our potatoes chopped up here. It's a good idea to make sure your knife is very sharp so your potatoes, one, obviously cut easier, but they won't stick to the blade as much. We'll use one medium-sized onion. I like to keep them together like this way. I'm just gonna mince a few cloves of garlic to go in there as well. Okay, now it's time to mix our sauce. We're gonna use a heavy whipping cream base here. So 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. And we'll add about a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Then finally, we'll just do a good sprinkling of some Italian seasoning. Then we'll just mix this up. Now you guys can also add chicken broth for some of the liquid, or you can put a little bit of chicken bouillon in here if you like that. I'm just going salt, pepper, basic seasonings that most people will have. But that's it, guys. We've got all of our ingredients prepared here. We've got 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1.5 cups of cheddar cheese, our potatoes sliced up, and now this one is optional. You can do a little bit of diced ham or bacon. Now we've got a ham in the crock pot as well. I had to trim up, so I sliced a little bit of it off, so it's perfect. I just diced it up. Now I'll throw it in our scalloped potatoes, and that's gonna be an awesome combination. Now we can start layering it. Yeah. We're gonna do this in about thirds, so we'll do about 1/3 of our potatoes first on the bottom. You kind of want to make sure you separate your potatoes too so they don't just stick together. Now we'll pour on our sauce. We've got about 2 cups, a little over 2 cups of sauce, so we'll go ahead and do about 2/3 of a cup. And we'll layer a little bit of onions here. If you don't like onions, you don't have to add onions. Same thing with the garlic. A little sprinkling of ham. And then finally, we'll do a little bit of cheese between the layers as well. Now, layer 2. If you didn't season between the layers, that's fine. But I always like to season the top just a little bit because it looks so pretty. And there it is, you guys. Look at that beautiful creation we just made. And now it's just an easy pop the lid on, and we're gonna cook this on high for about 4 hours. All right, guys, it's been just over 4 hours here. Give it a little poke test, and this is where you can see it's getting tender enough. You can see it's starting to get pretty tender, but because I filled this one up so high, I think I'll give it another 30 to 40 minutes. I want those potatoes to get just a little bit more tender. It's been about 45 more minutes, and now our potatoes are nice and tender. We've got a good little crust developing on the sides. Let's get this plated up, let it cool, and then taste it. There are our scalloped potatoes. You can top it off with just a little bit of fresh herbs that you have laying around, a little bit of fresh parsley or something. So the moment of truth, you guys. Yeah. Yep, I think you're gonna love this recipe. Our crock pot ham, which pair perfectly with our crock pot scalloped potatoes. So make sure you check out that recipe popping up right here. Make sure you let me know in the comments section down below if you like the recipe. Subscribe so you don't miss any great upcoming recipes. That's it. I'm gonna eat this just in time for the holidays. So, until the next one, bakes out.
Yeah.
Yeah.